Hello, I'm Jerry with Impress Computers, and today we're going to discuss this great IBM ThinkStation. Right now, what we did was we actually built this for a CAD machine. It has a E1650 version 2 Intel Xeon processor, which is a 64-bit Intel Xeon 6-core 12-thread processor. It's got 12 megabytes of cache running at 3.5 gigahertz and up to 3.9 gigahertz on turbo. It also runs at 130 watts versus your standard 75 watt processor. It has 32 gigabytes of DDR3 ECC memory running in dual channel at 1600 megahertz. The video card is an Nvidia Quadro K4000 with 768 CUDA cores, 3 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. It is PCI Express 2.0, which indicates that it's 5 gigatransfers per second. It's got one DVI port and one display port. When we go to the hard drive, it's a Seagate 2 terabyte solid state hard drive instead of just a solid state drive, so which means it's a hybrid. It's got 64 megs of cache. Now, as far as the board, with the ThinkCenter, with this version of ThinkCenter, notice we have two frontal USB 3.0 ports, which is kind of rare for a workstation. So it has a total of 4 3.0 USB 3.0 ports, which run at 5 gigabits per second, and a total of 8 USB 2.0 ports for the legacy USB at 480 megabits per second. On the board itself, if we go back to it, it has a total of 3 SATA 3.0 ports, if you notice. At the very bottom, so you have SATA 3.0, which is 6 gigabits per second interface speed, and the remainder of the SATA ports are only SATA 2, which SATA 2.0 is 3 gigabits per second. Overall, it's a great system. With the version 2 processor, makes it much faster than the version 1, I think by about 15%. Thank you.